Hello, hi everyone. Today we will see the Microsoft flow. The flow is having a trigger at 9 o'clock, which is a schedule flow. The scenario is that we have a task management list. The list having a multiple task which is assigned to a different person along with the status and due date and respective manager which is belonging to that person. So agenda is that at every 9 o'clock our Power Automate will shoot email to the assigned to person the status having in progress only. So let's see, and the agenda is that to send a individual email to each of and everyone along with some metadata. So let's see, we will create one Power Automate app. So in Power Automate we are going to create a schedule flow. The flow name is that task management. Demo. So we will be check timing at 9 p.m. at every day. So we will select a day and create. By default the automation is open in a new designer, but I want a old designer view, so I am switching without a saving, so it will be redirect to a old version. So recurrence point is interval is in day, once in a day. At timing we will be set zone. So now I want to set Indian zone, so UTC plus 5:30 I want to find out. So I got UTC 5:50 Chennai Kolkata, and starting timing I will put as it is, and this hours I want to trigger at 9. Okay, so run at 9 every day. So in the next step that we need to get items. The items only the status is in progress, so I'm adding get items, passing the site URL, list name, and along with I want to add a some filter query. The filter query is for the in that section. The filter heavy has a privilege to get only a specific data. Means suppose the list having a thousands of record, but only we want to get the in progress, and in progress data is only 10 or 15. So we are not, if we are not passing a filter query, it will be take time, so this flow is not optimized. So for the optimization purpose we can reduce the time and use a filter query. So I want to add, so now I want to add a filter query. The filter query is that the my column is status, so I want to go to the edit, the having the multiple choices column, so I want to copy the in progress, and the column name is status. So I am going to enter status equal to, this is a string, so we need to put in double quotes in progress. So I'll be save it. So So when I am the run my flow, the only the gets item which is the status is in progress. So I am testing manually right now because we are set as a developer view, so we only run as a test right now as a time being. You can see the flow run fail. Why? It shows the status equal to in progress is invalid, means we are not pass a proper value. So we will check this task management, the status equal to in progress. This is correct. We will check it. Okay, so I got the error. The error is that we need to put in progress in a single quote. So right now I put it in single quote and I'm going to save it. I'm going to test it right now. Manually test, testing our flow. Done. So we will get only the value which is in progress. I'm going to check. So in that output, so I'm going to search the status column. So you can see the status column is the choice column. So in that case, you can see the status having a metadata, the only the in progress thing, in progress. And in second case also we got a value is in progress. So we only get in progress data right now. So next step is that I want to send email to each and everyone with the output of gets items. So I am going to add conditions, apply to each, and the value of a gets item output, and I want to send an email. Send an email v2. So dynamically on to pass email id which is assigned to email, and subject is that in progress task. In the body I want to add hi, please find the below task detail. So title, dynamically I want to add title, then status, so I want to add dynamically the status value, then due date, so I want to type in search box due date, add and assign. So I want to add in search box assign to display name. So I want to add these details along with in bold. So I want to add the main things in a title which is in bold. So the flow is ready, so I am going to save it. So the meaning of apply to each means the the gets items get 5 records for example. So each and every one record is going to within value, and it will be going in a loop one by one. Suppose example, we got a in progress item like this one, this, and this, I mean 5 record is, this 5 record is capture in the gets item. So in apply to each, suppose it will be take a first record like this one. So that records it's get a title, status, assign, due date and manager, these things. So whenever is going to first item, it will be check assigned to email. So this email got from this one, that Suraj, and then it will be going to check another dynamic value that associated with that column, title, status, due date and assign things. When it email is shoot, again the flow is going to start again and check this second value, like the item created workflow in progress and assigned to the Pankaj. So that kind of each and every one is going through that loop and sending an email. So I'm going to test it, manually run and run the flow. So you can see it, our flow is running right now. So flow is going to take us some seconds and flow runs successfully. So I'm expanding this. You can see we get a 5 records. The first record get a Suraj. When I'm going to click on next, it will be get going to the Pankaj along with the metadata of the email. So I'm going to check my email. So I'm logging from a Pankaj. So we'll be see the Pankaj accounts. The Pankaj get separate email. So hi, please find the below details. So we can create a schedule flow as required. Thank you.